I'm just gonna remain silent.
Well, I'm saying we just got a call about boys. We were just going over there.
I don't know anything. I don't know anything about a call. We're just walking down the street.
Here, just watch. Let me get both of y'all's IDs, and then we'll let you get out.
No thanks. I'm just kind of trying to. I'm just trying to go along my way.
Okay. Let me just get your driver's license and we'll let you go.
I don't have mine.
I'm fine. Am I free to go? Am I being detained right now?
You're detained.
So am I free to go my way?
Hold on 1 second.
No thanks. Can I get your name and badge number, sir, please?
Yes, you absolutely can.
What is it, please?
It is. Last name is Liner.
Liner,
What's your
okay.
last name?
Right now, sir.
What's your badge number?
What's your last name?
Can I see your ID that also matches up to your...
What is your last name?
We're just at a buddy's house up the street.
Just real quick. Put your hands behind your back.
Actually, I don't...
Put your hands
I
behind your
don't
back.
even being detained right now. What am I being arrested for, sir?
Put your hands behind your back.
Please get your video camera out.
You're allowed to videotape it.
I know. Is that what you're arresting me for right now?
You're not under arrest
What are you detaining me for?
because you're not giving me any information.
So what crime have I committed for you?